Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you what the bell icon means in iPhone messages and how you can turn it on or off. So let's open the Messages app on your iPhone. Now, if you look at a conversation, you may notice a small bell icon next to it. This icon basically means that the conversation is muted. Even though messages will still come through, you won't receive any notifications for that chat, whether it's a group or a one-to-one conversation. Now, here's how to turn it on or off. Simply swipe right on the conversation and you'll see the bell option. If the bell is enabled, notifications are turned off for that chat. Tap it to turn notifications back on. If you swipe again and see the bell with a slash through it, that means the conversation is muted and you won't get alerts for new messages. So basically, this works as a mute and unmute button for individual message threads. And that's it. Now you know what the bell icon means and how to control it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.